minimum string of year.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Settings, variable overview. I will click on add and I will show you v min date, minimum year. I am giving here v min year, and in that v min year I am selecting here minimum string of year. Click on OK. Settings, variable overview. So minimum year is my another variable. If you want to pass that variable also, you can pass here. So I will show you how to pass that one. Click on text object equal to sum year. So you must open flower bracket first, under that 1 and give here year equal to, open this bracket, dollar, and this bracket you need to pass here v minimum year. So minimum year of sales. Click on OK. Apply. OK. If you see, if it is here, it is showing me 9 lakhs 10,000. It is 9 lakhs 21,000 because for maximum year is this one and this is the minimum year. So like that you can pass the variables inside a set analysis expression like this, and you can write the expressions. So next I will show one scenario where you will write the set analysis expression and where you compare the current year sales to the previous year sales. So I told that set analysis expression is useful for comparison purpose. So whenever if you want to compare one year sales to other year sales, and if you want to see the sales difference, we normally write the set analysis expression and we can achieve. So I will take one chart object and I will write those expressions. I am taking here chart, taking one straight table and adding here my division here, division wise sales I want to show for different years. Okay, so division wise sales. So this is my, for normally if you write it will show me all the sales, but my requirement is in one expression I want to show 2013 sales, in another expression I want to show 2014 sales, and I want to compare 2013 and 2014, and I want to show the sales difference between 2 years. What is the difference in the sales? What is the sales difference between the 2 years? Like that I want to write the expression. So how we will go to means, go to this properties, select here add and write your set analysis expression equal to sum of open this flower bracket dollar and write here year equal to, so this is for 2013, so I will write here 2013. So your expression is okay, and you can label it as 2013 sales. Apply. Okay, you can remove this year dimension because if year dimension is there it will show more data. This is 2013 sales. Okay, now I want to show 2014 sales in separate expression. So for that you can write here sum of dollar flower bracket, not flower bracket, first inside this one and give here this one and write your year equal to So next year you can pass here 2014. So 2013 and 2014 sales. You can rename it to 2014 sales. Apply. Okay. So this is my 2013 sales and this is my 2014 sales. So I want to calculate the sales difference. What is the sales amount? What is the difference in the sales? So 14,000 minus 12,000. Like that I want to do the comparison for 2013 and 2000 sales. So if you want to do comparison here, means you need to do this expression minus this expression, and you can compare what is the difference in the sales for 2013 and 2014 for each country. Okay, so for that you need to write one more expression here. So you need to go to this one, and here you need to write one more expression. So in that expression, what you need to do means you need to write again these two expressions, like sum of year equal to 2013 sales minus sum of year equal to 2014 sales. Like that you can write, and one more option also will be there. Suppose instead of again writing this kind of expression like this, sum of one of year equal to 2013 sales minus sum of, open this flower brackets, year equal to 2014 sales. You are doing 2013 minus 2013 sales. So if you see here, if you write like this kind of expression, you cannot do the minus of 2013 minus 2014 sales minus, you cannot do here like this. So for that, what you can, if you write like this, you will get one error expression here. For that, what you need to do means, instead of writing this expression here, what you can do here means, so you want 2013 minus 2014 here. Okay, so normally if you write any expression, this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3 in the expression. So expression 1 is column 1, expression 2 is column 2, expression 3 is column 3. I want to do column 2 minus column 1. So like that, what you can do here means, you can write one expression here directly by using the column function. CO you have already calculated, so you can use here column of 2 minus column of 3, 2 minus 3, column 2 minus column 3. You can name it as difference. Click on apply, click on OK. Now if you see here, you have got here the difference in the sales between 2013 to 2000. There is minus 20,000 difference, means 2013 sales is less compared to the 2014 sales. Like that you can see here. So whichever is positive, that is nothing but 2013 is sales is more than the 2014 sales. Like that user can identify for which countries there is more sales in the previous year than the current year by using this kind of chart. Like that we will use these set analysis expressions and we will write. So mainly we will write in the expressions tab only these kind of expressions. So next we will see here, next set of set analysis expressions. Here we will see about this indirect set analysis concept. So as I told that we are having the next set analysis called as indirect set analysis expressions by using this P and E expressions. So how we use this P and E expressions and how we write the set analysis expressions, now we will see with examples by writing the P and E expressions. So this is also some syntax will be very different for this indirect set analysis. So if you can see, for any set analysis expression there will be some differences for this indirect set analysis concept. So what are those differences and all? If you see here, this is one of the indirect set analysis. Suppose year equal to 2014, means out of those all years you want to show only 2014 sales. That is possible. If you want to exclude only 2014, you can use here E symbol. So now we will see how to write this indirect set analysis expressions. So first here you need to open this bracket, and under that flower bracket you need to open. So that expression how we write, we will see here indirect set analysis expressions. So I am taking one new text object and writing the expression equal to sum. Write here your brackets 1 and write your condition here equal to year equal to, you want to filter on year equal to. After that you need to pass the P expression and you need to write your condition. Means out of those years I want to get only 2014 sales, possible sales only. I want to show only 2014. So I will give here P expressions, and now I will write here first this bracket, and inside this I will open flower bracket, and inside that I will give here dollar symbol, and I will pass here my year column. Year equal to the 2013 sales. So what it will do, I am giving here sum of year equal to P, means possible year equal to 2013, means it will show me only 2013 sales. P means possible. Same if I use EE, means it will exclude 2013 sales, and for rest of the years it will show. But I want to show only for 2013 possible year sales. I will write the expression like this. Click on apply, click on OK. You see here it is showing me only 2013 sales, 9,10,000. Suppose if you want to exclude only 2013 sales and if you want to show rest of the year sales, means you will use E expression and you will write the set analysis expression. So write here sum and write your expression. First you give here equal to and write the expression. Flower bracket, inside that 1, and give here year equal to exclude, you want to exclude 2013, that's why give here E expression, and open this flower bracket, and inside that open this bracket and give here dollar, and now give this bracket and pass your year equal to 2013 2013 sales. So what it will do, it will show me only, it will exclude me 2013 sales, and for rest of the all the years it will show me the sales. That is how to use this E expression, E function, and how to write this indirect set analysis expression using the exclude function. E means exclude function. Click on OK, apply, OK. So it is showing me the 2014 sales. It has excluded 2013, and for all the rest of the years here I am having only 2014. So for 2014 it has shown me the sales. Like that you can write this indirect set analysis like that. So here everything is the syntax. You need to remember where to open this flower bracket, this bracket, this one and this one, and how to write this set analysis expression by using this indirect expressions, P and E expressions, how we use and how we write the expressions. Okay, so next we will see some more expressions here. How to write equal to operator in set analysis, greater than, how to achieve, how to write between conditions in a set analysis expressions. We will see how to use not equal to operator, not equal to, and greater than or equal to, or comma less than or equal to operator, between operator. So between the range, if you want how to write the set analysis expressions, that you will see in. Now you write that expressions here. So first you will see how to write not equal to operator and how to get that requirement. So for this only we can see here. Now for that I will take the new data here. I will comment this one. And I will take this data and comment it. So year wise some shipment fees and some sales is there. Click on save and reload, different year wise. Okay, so I will have a new sheet and add this my text object into that one. Okay, so this is my expressions which are written. First I will show you how to write not equal to operator and how to achieve not equal to operator in QlikView. Suppose I don't want to show year equal to 2014 sales. So this is my table box and I will add all this data. I don't want to show 2014 sales and rest of the sales I want to show. So how to write not equal to operator in a set analysis expression? Sum of this bracket 1 and give here like this year. So not equal to operator in QlikView is like this. You need to give like this and you need to pass the year 2014. So this is not equal to operator in QlikView. If it is like this, means this is nothing but year not equal to 2014. This is the not equal to operator in a set analysis expression, how we can achieve. Now click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Now if it is showing me total shipment fee is around, total all the year's sales is year not equal to 2000. Click on clear. 13, 18, 22. So if you see here, this is the year not equal to 2014. So if you can see the total sales here, I will take one text object and I will show you total sum of sales. So total is around 25,000, I think 25,000, and here it is showing me 20,000 because I have excluded this year 2014 by using this not equal to operator. So this is how you use the not equal to operator in a set analysis expression. This is nothing but year not equal to 2014. Year equal to not equal to 2014, show me the sales amount. This is how you write not equal to operator in QlikView. Next I will show you how to write this greater than operator in QlikView and how to achieve that greater than less than symbols. So greater than means, suppose here this is between symbol and this one is greater than. So I want to write this kind of, so I want to show the shipment fees which is greater than 200, greater than 200 if I want to show shipment fees. Otherwise I want to show between greater than 100 and 0 to 250 range, like that. If you want to write greater than, if you want to write only between, how we can write this expressions we will see now. So for that, if you can see here, I am having different shipment fees here. I want to show the shipment fees which is greater than some 200 only. I want to show out of the shipment fees. I want to show whichever shipment fees are greater than 200 only. I want to show means how I can write a set analysis expressions. I will show you whichever is greater than that one. Set analysis expression. Click on text object equal to sum of, open here this and give here 1 and write here shipment fee greater than only you want. So how to write the greater than means you need to use here flower bracket, and inside that you need to write here greater than or equal to 200, greater than 200, that is not equal to greater than 200. So whichever shipment fees are greater than 200, only those shipment fees show me like that. So this is how you achieve greater than symbol in set analysis, greater than 200. So if you see here, whichever is greater than 200 means only these three are there. So those three sales it is showing me greater than. If you want to achieve less than means you can write less than also. Suppose I want to show which is less than, shipment fee less than some 200 equal to sum of give here 1 and pass your column name, shipment fee equal to less than you want to write. So open this one, write here less than or equal to 200. So whichever the shipment fee sales is greater than 200, less than 200, those all sales it will calculate. So 13,000, this is 12,000, this is 13,000. So like that I can write this expressions like this also. And next expression is how to write some between range, means I want to show which is greater than 200 and less than or equal to 250. So before between 0 to 250 range I want to show the shipment fees, whichever is between 0 to 250, those shipment fees salary sales I want to show. So how to write the between condition between any two ranges, I will show you the set analysis expressions. So take one new text object and write your condition. Some you can write, give here flower bracket 1 and write your shipment fee column. Shipment fee you need to write the condition. So for that you need to open this bracket, greater than or equal to 0 comma shipment fee equal to so 0 to 250 range I want, so I will give here less than or equal to 250, like that I will write. So it will show me 0 to 250 range the sales amount of the different shipment fees. This is how you achieve the between logic in QlikView, set analysis expressions between the range 0 to 250 range. Click on OK, apply. Okay, now if you see here it is showing me 17,000. So between 0 to 250 17,000. if you can see here, 0 to 250 range means this will come, and this will come. So 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 4 17. So like that you can write. If you want to show the sales amount anyway between some ranges means you can write like this, between 0 to 250 range. So these are the different set analysis expressions you might be writing by using this different ways. So first we have seen the set analysis expressions only by using identifiers we have written, and only by using modifiers, operators we have written, and modifiers. And next we have seen how to use variables inside a set analysis expressions, and how to write and how to do the comparison. So these are the different ways which it can be helpful for you for writing the expressions. So this is the first thing where we have written on expressions like dollar and all, dollar, current sales, dollar. By using the identifiers, first we have written the set analysis expressions, and later we have written based on the modifiers also. So we have seen how to use the modifiers and how to write the expressions. So here we have used the modifiers. So division equal to something and year equal to something, and show me the sales, and we have written it, and we have shown the sales. And later you have passed the variables also. This is not variable, we have passed the variables also. So this is how to pass the variable inside one set analysis expression. So how to pass the variable and how to write these conditions, this also we have seen. And later we have done the comparison of current year sales to the previous year sales in a set analysis expression in a chart. I have taken one chart, and inside that chart I have taken 2013 sales separately by writing this kind of set analysis expression, and 2014 sales separately by writing one more set analysis expression like this, and calculated the difference by using this expression. Suppose if you see here, we have one expression. So in order to calculate the difference, I want to calculate column 2 minus column 3. So instead of again calculating the names, I have directly given the expression like this. So normally we can write this kind of expressions also in a set analysis expressions. Whenever if you want to minus two expressions, or if you want to perform any arithmetic operations on two expressions, you can directly use that column number and you can do the arithmetic, either minus or plus or division or whatever you want. So if you want to divide column 2 minus column 1 also, you can use it. It will divide column 2 and column 1, and it will show me the division also. Division also, if you want to do minus, if you want to do whatever you want, you can do between the two columns inside a expression. And after that we have seen this indirect set analysis expressions, how to write this E using E expression, means exclude that particular year and show me the rest of the sales. Now if you can see here on this, we have calculated the sales difference for 2013 and 2014. I have shown the difference in the sales. So I want to calculate the percentage of the sales difference also between 2013 and 2014, means I can write here one more expression such a way that saying that column column 2 minus column 3 divided by column 2 into 100. You can do something like this. Click on OK. So it will show me the difference in percentages. So you can go to properties and name it as difference in percentages, percentage sales, and go to his number tab and ask this to show in percentages. Click on apply, click on OK. So like this you can show in percentages the different sales amount between these expressions. You can write the expression and show in percentages. You can remove this. So it will show in different percentages what is the sales difference. So if you can see here, there are some examples which are shown in percentages. See, 2008 to 2007 they want to show in some percentages. So like that they have written column 2 minus column 3 divided by column 2 and finally made it in percentages and have shown the data in percentages. So I can select here this one, number tab, difference, integer, apply, OK, and it will show me in percentages. So this is how you calculate the sales differences and everything using the set analysis expression. So totally this is the concept of set analysis. So first what we have seen means what is set analysis and what are the advantages of set analysis, what is the mainly set analysis syntax we have seen, and after that we have seen how to write the set analysis expression. So totally this is the concept of set analysis.